Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video we'll check if this mouse has dedicated app. In the beginning, let's enter Lamzu website. Here, let's go to download, and as you can see right here, we've got mice. Let's search Inca 8K. And download Aurora version. Select firmware and Inca. As you can see, this mouse does have dedicated app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.